Good day, everybody. Hope you're having a great one. Let's go ahead and start with some sight words. So again, I'm going to tap on the top. You're going to think about it. Say it on the side. Think. Many. Over. Come. Into. Where. Became. Make sure became. If we put an O there, it changes and it's become. This word is became. Good job. Now let's go ahead with our story. We're going to reread the story that we read yesterday about birds. And how did you do with your homework? Did you go outside and look around for bird nests in your trees or around you and kind of be watching? That was a fun one. Okay, let's review our story. So I want you to read along with me. Birds. Birds. Where do birds live? Birds live in many places. This bird lives in a park. It hops in the grass. The bird used twigs to make a nest. Look into the nest. What do you see? This bird lives in the woods. It will peck a hole in the tree. Now the bird has a nest in the hole. This bird lives in a pond. Its nest is in the pond. Did you know that there is a typo in this book? Can you find it in that sentence? They didn't put the apostrophe. This stands for it is. It should have an apostrophe to show that we are skipping a letter. So I'll get one with get a pen and mark that for next time. Its nest is in the pond. The nest is made of wet grass. Some birds live by the sea. You can see them fly out over the shore. They fly out over the sea. The birds come back to the land. They make their nests in the rocks. Some birds live in the hot desert. Other birds live where it is cold. Birds live in many places. Can you find birds where you live? Okay, now thinking about this story. Beginning. What happened at the beginning of the story? I have to pretend like you're talking to me, okay? So, beginning of the story, talking about where they live. That was the main focus of the book. So what were some places that they live that they told us about in the middle of the story? See how many you can come up with. Okay, so here we are. They told us this one in the park. There's their nest in a tree, in the water, near the sea, and in the rocks, in the desert, and where it's cold. How did they end this story? They told us to go out and find birds where we live. Okay, hopefully you did that. All right, let's do some nonsense review. And so again, I'll hold up the card, slide along with it where we're blending those sounds together. Remember, this helps us so we'll be able to read big words. Okay, ready? Saj, pa, rec, vig, Gux, Knack, Vok, Fep, Boz, Mib, Judd, Row. Let's do one more. Jex. Okay, hopefully that works for everyone. We're going to start a new story the next time we get together. Okay.